Ready to dive into a GitHub project and see it running on your PC in minutes. First things first, open Visual Studio Code. This is where the magic will happen. Next, we need to copy the URL of the GitHub repository you want to work with. On GitHub, look for the green code button and click it, then select the HTTPS option and click the copy button to copy the repository's URL. Head back to Vscode. In the Vscode interface, open the command palette. You can do this by pressing specific keys or go to viewing options. Typing git clone into the command palette will allow you to select the function we need. After selecting git clone, Vscode will prompt you to paste in that very same URL you just grabbed from your chosen GitHub repository. Paste the URL. Hit enter. Vscode will then ask you where you'd like to store that repository on your computer. Choose the directory that suits you. Vscode will automatically clone the repository and you'll see the files populating in the File Explorer. Now comes the fun part, running the project. Check the repository's documentation, often a file called readment, for specific instructions on how to run the project. This typically includes details on dependencies we'll need, like Python, Node.js, or other software. You'll be prompted by the project to install the dependencies. Once everything's downloaded and installed, you'll likely be able to run the project using the terminal within Vscode. Follow the project's specific instructions. Now run the project using the correct code. Awesome! You've successfully downloaded and run a project from GitHub in Vscode. You can now explore the code, make changes, and even contribute back to the project. Congratulations!